Hey, Joey, today we're going to learn about the time.
Oh, good, because I've been getting the order of my jokes all wrong this morning.
Really? That seems unlike you. You usually are a great joke teller.
Yeah, I know. I keep forgetting which part comes first. Sometimes I tell the second part of the joke first, and then I tell the first part. And Professor, listen to me, buddy.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
You gotta help the Joey.
Okay, listen. I've got a math riddle that'll do just that.
I knew you would have the solution.
Okay, let's take a look at it together.
Ha-ha!
Okay, here is a story about Don, and I want us to use the times to list in the story to make the story complete. So check it out. Don got to school at blank time. Then his class went to the library at blank time, and after school, Don read a book at blank time.
That's a lot of blank time.
It's a lot of blank time. See, your jokes are already coming back.
I'm working on it.
Now, here we have to do, there are three options. We have 10:50 a.m., 3:05 p.m., and 8:15 a.m. And we have to figure out which time makes sense for each of the three parts of the story. Now, here's the important thing, Joey. It's important to remember that times after midnight, but before noon, they're written as a.m. So the a.m.s are after midnight and before noon. And if we have times that are afternoon but before midnight, the other part of the day, we could write them as p.m.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let's think about this and see if we can make sense. Now, when I look at this, I think to myself, you know what? If it's after school, it's going to be late in the day, isn't it?
That's very true.
And now the first time is 10:50 a.m., so that's in the morning sometime, and 8:15 a.m., that's the morning. So I really believe that this second one is actually going to be the one that goes way down here, because it's in the afternoon. And
that would make sense.
Let's just see what that looks like visually. So visually, here is that time. Here is 3:05, and you can see the hour hand is just past the 3, and the minute hand is pointing exactly to 1, which if we count by fives is 5. That's right, so this is 3:05. So that looks good to me. Okay? Now you have to make a choice about 10:50 a.m. versus 8:15 a.m. Well, which do you think is earlier in the day? The 10:50 a.m. or the 8:15 a.m.?
Well, 8.
8:15.
Yeah, 8, 9, 10. Yeah,
yep,
8.
Exactly right, which means he did this first. So obviously, Don got to school first before his class went to the library. So obviously the 8:15, which by the way looks like this. So here's 8:15.
Oh, that's what that looks like.
Yep, because the hour hand is just past the 8, and you see that the minute hand, the long one, is actually at 5, 10, 15.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to put that right here. That's how he started his day at 8:15, and that leaves that his class went to the library at 10:50 a.m., and let's see what that looks like.
What does that look like?
That looks like this. So notice that the hour hand is between the 10 and 11. It's almost at 11 because it's almost 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we see that the minute hand is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 after 10 o'clock. And that's what this says, 10:50 a.m.
10:50 a.m.
And so there you have it. We know exactly what Don did. The story is Don got to school at 8:15 a.m. His class went to the library at 10:50 a.m. And after school, Don read a book at 3:05 p.m. And that's it, Joey. Yep.
That was great. I think I have my joke timing kind of sorted out now, too.
Oh, wait. Okay, let me hear.
What did the clock do when it finished its dinner?
I don't know. What did the clock do after it finished its dinner?
It had seconds.
You're back. The Joey
See,
is
it's
back.
because you helped.
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.